I loaded up some 125 XTPs with fast burning pistol powder, and I loaded some up with a slower burning pistol powder. Let's get after it. This here is the Winchester 231 load. 1120. All right. We got this Smith and Wesson Model 66 here, no dash. It's a classic. Pretty pleasant to shoot too. And that was 6 instead of the 5. We're on to the 6-inch barrel now, 686. This 686 is a dash 6. We'll just go ahead and do 5 with this one too. There, here we go. And 1316. I tell you, that's a pretty manageable load, pretty pleasurable to shoot too. I like that. I think I like that. I forgot to mention, it sure would help the channel out if you'd like and subscribe if you like the content. I really appreciate it. Thanks. Okay, this is the Ramshot Enforcer load. So we'll have to go back and check this data, but I am pretty sure that out of this 2-inch barrel, that 231 load was about the same velocity as this Ramshot Enforcer out of that 2-inch, which that's pretty interesting. Let's see what it is out of this 4-inch. I tell you what, these Smith and Wessons, I just love a good revolver, and I think Smith and Wesson makes a fine revolver. Here we go. And gained about 200 feet per second with that extra 2 inches of barrel there. So let's see what we gain with another 2 inches of barrel. Here we go. 1470. Okay. Hey everybody, as you can see, that Winchester 231 performed pretty well in that shorter barrel and didn't perform too bad either in the 4 or the 6-inch barrels. I don't think that Ramshot Enforcer, I don't think it performed as well as it could. I'm thinking I'm going to try that again and put a little bit heavier crimp on those to see how it performs, because the velocities I was getting with it isn't anywhere near as close as the velocities that were advertised in the load data. So just let me know what you guys think. Did you guys like those 231 loads? I think they're pretty pleasurable to shoot. Drop in the comments if you like that powder, and thanks for watching. God bless. I'll see you next time.